And now, your first alert weather.
What a beautiful day out there. We've had light winds, nice temperatures, kids out there enjoying the walk home from school in numbers into the mid-60s right now as we take a live look in Idaho Falls. It's 17 with the wind speeds. We got a little bit of a breeze out there. We're going to see more wind as we get through tomorrow. And as we go to the Pocatello Farm Bureau Skycam, we're at 67 degrees. Winds also into the teens out of the south. That warm wind keeping our temperatures elevated today. And it's the warm before the storm. We're not seeing any showers locally, but we do have some wet weather on the way coming in here from the west coast, but it's going to take some time before that stuff really filters into the region. These storms taking aim at the west coast are really going to slam into California and Oregon with some good heavy showers. But by the time a lot of this wet weather rolls in here, it's going to lose a lot of its energy, so we're not expected to see anything major until we really head into Monday and Tuesday. That's the best chance to actually see some heavier shower activity here locally. Now, the first storm's coming on along the west coast right now. As it comes in, it's going to start to dry up as it heads inland, and we aren't expected to see any showers tomorrow. But as we go into tomorrow night into Saturday, we'll start to pick up on some wet weather. But we really have our eyes on Storm 2 and Storm 3 out here waiting in the wings. Now, what's going to happen here is this one's going to come out of the Gulf of Alaska, but it's going to join up here with this plume of moisture, and by Sunday into Monday we expect to see a good amount of wet weather sliding through the region. Here's a look at some of those storms as they come off the eastern Pacific heading into the Pacific Northwest. So the first storm coming in for tonight along the west coast, and by tomorrow night we're just starting to see some showers getting into central Idaho, and then we'll carry over into Saturday. Saturday we expect to see off and on showers coming in with storm number 2, but here comes storm number 3. So we have little brother meeting up with big brother here. They're merging out in the eastern Pacific, and look at the cyclone that develops here. This is a fairly strong storm that's going to come in here for Sunday and Monday, and we're expecting to get some gusty winds off of this guy. We're also expecting to see scattered rain and snow showers. The snow level is going to start off really high in elevation and then slowly work down by Tuesday. So it's going to be mostly a rain event here as we head through the next few days. Friday morning, again, it's going to be dry, breezy conditions tomorrow afternoon. The showers start getting into western Idaho tomorrow afternoon and out towards Boise and up towards areas like Ontario. And then as we get into Saturday morning, we'll get some rain and some high elevation snow coming through the region. Off and on hits of rain and snow for Saturday, but most of that into the mountains. More wet weather to follow as we get into Sunday and Monday, with quite a bit of wet weather to get us started for the approaching work week, with some heavy downpours possible. And we'll see the snow level finally start to fall as we have the colder temperatures getting in here for Tuesday. Temperatures at 62 for Soda Springs, 65 in Preston, 65 in Malad, with 61 tomorrow in Lava. Rexburg, you're going to hit a high of 65. Same for St. Anthony, 63 in Jackson tomorrow, with highs in central Idaho, aiming for the mid to upper 60s in Salmon and Challis, upper 50s in ARCO and Mackay, with highs in Idaho Falls into the mid 60s. We'll see the mid to upper 60s in Pocatello, 68 in Burley, and the mid to lower 60s as you work into the INL. 8-day forecast. We have gusty winds with us here throughout the entire weekend stretch, and temperatures tumbling back into the 40s, where things are looking pretty chilly as we work into next week. Blackfoot, a high here of 52 by Sunday, 55 on Monday, and 46 for the high on Tuesday, with the showers coming through the region, and we could start to see some snow by Tuesday. Jackson, rain and snow showers dotting the region the entire weekend with some gusty winds. Highs are going from the 60s tomorrow down to the 40s by Saturday and Sunday. Salmon seeing a similar drop in temperatures here, with highs down to the mid-50s for Saturday. We'll be into the 40s and 50s throughout next week, with off and on hits of rain and snow. Pocatello, your 8-day forecast. The winds pick up tomorrow afternoon. Scattered snow and rain showers getting in here really for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Again, temperatures down to the 40s by Tuesday, where it's cold enough we might start to see some snow getting back into the Snake River Plain. But this is going to be a typical fall system as we move through the rest of the 8-day forecast here for Idaho Falls. We're going to be dealing with mostly rain showers here, some snowflakes mixed in, but I don't expect to see a lot of accumulation from snow. This is going to be a rain event for most of us, with some high elevation snow showers. And again, it's a parade of systems, one after another. However, a lot of these systems are dumping moisture in along the west coast, and by the time they get here, they've kind of sputtered out a little bit. We don't really have a lot of energy left over.
So it's like when the parade throws out all its candy at the front of the route?
Exactly.
By the time they get to you, they don't have any
They
candy.
just have the candy corn, the candy you don't want, right?
That's how it works.
That's, yeah.
Okay. In this case, that might, Yeah.
Well,
For me,
we definitely need the moisture.
we need the moisture.
Yeah, we could use some mountain snow. We will get some mountain snow out of this, but it's going to take some time before it gets here.
Okay.
Sweet candy.
These guys are funny. Oh, wait, when we come back, we'll take a look at the closing stock market numbers.
This Skycam network, sponsored by